It's not a very sunny day, but it's a very beautiful day. The birds are chirping away, and trust me, oh, this was well overdue. So this week, so today, for the next few days, I'm going to be working on the E90 M3 full service. And when I say full service, I mean full service. We're going to start from doing the oil change. We're going to be doing transmission service. We're going to be doing diff service, new battery, actuators, steering wheel. When I say full service, I mean full service. This car is overdue. And once we get everything done and I can get it out, I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the summer. And he can go rip around and do whatever he wants in it and don't have to worry. So that's what we're going to be doing. And remember, guys, to share, like, subscribe, likes, all that stuff. Guys, you got to give the video a thumbs up so we can get this video more rated and, get it up to the top of the list, get the channel growing. All that great stuff. So, you know what? Some people want 100,000 likes. I'll set it for a good 200 likes right now. So let's see if we can get up to 200 likes, because I'm getting the views, but you guys are commenting, but the likes and just not getting the likes. And I know you guys like it because I get a lot of a DM on Instagram. So you like it, guys? Do it in the video. Don't tell me on Instagram. Do it in the YouTube video, because that's where it counts. But let's jump right into doing all this major work. I won't show a lot of it. I'm not going to show you me completely rebuilding the actuators, because there's many videos on YouTube for that. I don't think I'm going to be showing the transmission service. It's too hard to work with the camera underneath the car doing all that. So a lot of that I might not show. Even the battery I might not show. But just stick around, because we're going to be doing an engine shop. The whole thing. The car is going to be nice when it's done. And you guys going to want to see and hear this thing, because I love that car. That's why I'm in so much trouble right now, because of that car. But let's jump right into it. So this is all the dust that came out of there, so it was starting to wear out. And when you take the wheel out, you can actually see, there you go. You can actually see the wheels being worn out, and the gears being worn out here. If you look here, you see a lot less spacing, but these ones here, they're pretty worn out. It's just a matter of time before he had failure. And he's gonna go in limp mode after that, and then probably have to get it towed. It depends where it happens. So it's better we take care for now, so he doesn't end up in that situation. I can't show you too much of what's going to be going on in the garage right now, because my car, parts of my car in there, so stuff is coming in, so I'll be able to get some work done. But the actuators are done. Most of the services is done. Now I'm just going to do the steering wheel, and after that we're going to clean it up and then do an exit video. But so far so good. Time to make this car sexy again. I can't believe I just used that term. Oi. So the hardest part of this is taking off this damn airbag, because these two holes back here is just, you gotta play around, and no, you know what, I'm not even gonna go there. You just have to find a hole and play around until you get the airbag out. But it's always so difficult trying to get it. Where the hell is the hole? There it is. Shut up, Frank. I said I wasn't going to start this crap. Don't start it. Yeah, trying to get this damn thing out, I find is the hardest part. I can feel it. Oh, one side's up. Let's try the other side. See, Frank, I find the hole. Oh, I can't find the other one now. What the hell? And for all you Keybo's warriors, yes, the battery is unplugged already, because I just put a brand new battery in there. Oh. Whew. Here you go. And airbag is out. Now comes the easy part. What size is that? Oh, nope, we need a big boy. Time to bring out the big boy. Look at that. I'm telling you, man, best money I ever spent right here. And that's it. So this is the one we get from A Wheels, Aza Wheels. I don't know how you pronounce those guys' name. And this is the OEM one. Round at the top, we got flat at the top there. Nice and thick there. Rest flat at the bottom. Flat at the bottom. And this is just that plastic stuff that's always peels off. You can see right there. And this one is done in leather. This just, look at this thing. I'm going speechless. This is really nice right here. They knocked this one out of the park again, but that's just how they work. So you see the difference between there, actually. See the difference between the two grips there? Now you can really go fast. This should give them what, another 25 horsepower right here? 30? Oh, there you go. Now we gotta put the paddles on here because I think we forgot to buy paddles because I know he wanted paddles. So now we gotta throw the OEM paddles on there, and I don't know if I'm gonna take this apart again to put new paddles on. Sorry, Gavin. So stick them in here. And here we go. See, I don't mind doing the paddles, it's just doing the damn taking off the airbag. I just hate that thing. Gotta play with the hole too much. I see the grin on your face, ain't you're thinking way off board now, Frank. Plug him in. And now we just put this back together. Bada boom, bada bing. Now I'm gonna go throw this back in the car, plug the airbag back in, and it's ready to go. Well, everything's back together. Now I'm just gonna throw it back in the car. And what I love about this thing is there's a groove in it that lines it up perfectly, so you don't worry about it being off. Where is that groove? There it is. I can't see. Now let's hope this goes in one click. Oh yeah, just look at that baby. I'm gonna have to bring this side outside and give you guys a good, oh, she's ready. Nice and clean under here, everything back together, and this thing looking the way it's supposed to. Just look at this beauty. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. And now he can go rip up the streets. right, guys, so there it is. The car is completely done. Owner is happy he's gone. He's gonna be ripping around the streets sometime soon, I hope. And then this thing, it ain't the same X5 you guys thought. It's something else, but you're gonna have to wait to see that one because lots more to come on that. So, you know, stick around because lots more to come on this and mine and the 650 and the other 5. Lots of videos to come, but that's it for now. So stay tuned and laters.